Hi, I'm Susanne and I'm a health and vitality coach. I just completed a half day together with Leigh Moana here at Facebook 101. Why did I come here? I'm a Facebook girl. I love Facebook and I use it quite a lot myself. Having said that, I haven't had a Facebook page up and running for quite a while. And when I did, somebody else was running it for me. So the reason why I came was to learn about Facebook page and how I myself can operate it in the very best way. Leigh's been fantastic. She showed us so many things throughout the day and so many tricks and given so many values throughout the day. So yeah, lots of notes I have, but I also know I can go back to Leigh and ask for help if I need it. So if you are that person who is loving Facebook but don't have a Facebook page as of yet, or have it and not doing anything with you, you should look at the next workshop. Thank you so much, Leigh. It was a fabulous day.